Alright guys, I'm running the mini for Batman Adventures number 12, first appearance of Harley Quinn. We've got, let me do the timestamp first. 6:50 on the 6th of October, and it's 6:50 on the 6th of October here in WA. Whoops, what the hell happened there? Well, that's alright. Alright, so we got a list down the bottom. 93 is Tim. Up to spot 1 is Kevin. I've put them in the list. Tim at 93 and Kevin up at 1. I'll roll the dice 3 times. Maybe. Okay. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 4 is 14. I'll just go through the spots. So first place gets 15 spots. Second place gets 10 spots. Third place gets 6 spots. Fourth place gets 3 spots. Fifth place gets 2 spots. And last spot gets 1. So good luck everyone. 5 and 5 is 10, plus 4 is 14. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hopefully get a good spread of winners. 7, 8, 9. Not just Kevin getting the top 5 spots. 10. Just joking, Kevin. You can get the top 5 spots if you want. 12. So 5 and 5 is 10, plus 4 is 14. We're up to 12. Second last one. And last one. Good luck everyone, and I'll update the mini and get back to the main later tonight. Alright, so let's go look at spot number 93 first. So this is the last spot for a single spot in the main. Roger, congrats mate, you got 1. So that's the list, 14 times, double check that. 5 and 5 is 10, plus 4 is 14. Now let's go see the top 5 spots. And at spot number 5 we have David. Congrats mate, that's 2 spots for you. Spot 4 is Kevin. 3 spots for you mate. Tim at 3 with 6 spots in the main. The cheeky little mini buy. Roger, another 10 for you mate, and at spot number 1 we got Andrew with 15. So let's have a look, recap that. Spot 1, Andrew with 15. Spot 2, Roger with 10. Spot 3, Tim with 6. Spot 4, Kevin with 3. David at spot 5 with 2. And Roger down the bottom with another single spot there. 5 and 5 is 10, plus 4 is 14, and that is 14. 93 items in the list. Thanks everyone. I'll update that mini in a little while, give people a chance to have a look. What the hell was that? 6:54 on Wednesday the 6th of October. 6:54 Wednesday the 6th of October. Yeah, I'll see you a bit later for the main. Thanks everyone.